We use various types of lenses when we do cataract surgery, and we choose the lens kind of based on what sort of outcome the patient desires. So if we have a patient that loves her glasses, just using what we call a standard monofocal lens would be a nice choice. We have other lifestyle type lenses that are basically designed for the patients to be less dependent on glasses or contact lenses. One category is called a multifocal or extended depth of focus lens. This is a lens that gives distance, intermediate, and near vision. Toric lenses are a type of lens that treats astigmatism at the same time during the cataract surgery. They typically will have really good vision for the distance without glasses.
These advanced technology lenses are really designed to improve someone's lifestyle. If you have somebody who loves to ski and they wear goggles, or they're wanting to play the piano while still being able to see across the room, there are lenses now with technology that can enable that and help them be able to do those activities without needing to put their glasses on or try and find that sweet spot in their glasses. It's really neat.